Hello, welcome to the Trivial Paradox, where I will teach you how to write programs and code. I will be teaching you how to write basic web pages, games like tic-tac-toe and text-based RPGs, and I will also teach you how to write prank viruses for your friends. Today I will be teaching you how to write a basic web page if you do not know how to code at all. It will be like basic HTML and it'll be HTML today, CSS later, Java later, but today we'll be doing HTML. Now this will be our finished project. Right now it's blank, but after we're all done, here will be it. Here will be the product after HTML and CSS. So I already, I don't like that. So today, well, for coding, I will be using Notepad++. Really great for coding. And the code for right now will be 35 lines. Here will be the CSS that we'll be working on. Very simple. It'll be in a later video though. And let's start. Now, to build the web page, it's a simple doc type HTML. And to make the HTML document itself, you need to create a tag, which is HTML. And you gotta close it right here, HTML. So that's that. Now, remember, whenever you're making a tag, unless I say otherwise, always remember this little guy, the little backslash. Inside the HTML, we're gonna have two basic elements: the head and the body. For now, let's work on the head. The head is maybe the most important part of the HTML document because it is the DNA of it. It will let it talk to other documents that you write that are put in the same folder, and it will even create the little tab up here. That's you can customize that in the head. To make that little title, you gotta guess what it's gonna be. Title. HTML is not a difficult language to figure out. But there will be a bit of hieroglyphs when you're making your images and your links and stuff, but it'll be simple once you learn it. The title, let's call it My World. And that's all we're going to do for the head right now. And with Notepad++, it will tell you the lines, and you can close out stuff when you're done with it. Help you keep it organized. And use tab when you're going inside, so you can see. As you can see right there. Let's close out the head too. So the body, it is basically all of this, which is not as bad as it seems. There's basically two headings and two links. That's all we're doing. That's all the body's going to be for now. Now, we're going to do H1, and it'll be a big heading. And then will be a H2, which will be not as big. I'll show you what I mean. Sorry about my disorganization with the typing. This up here, that's an H1. This down here, it's an H2. And these two pictures, they're not just pictures, they're links. So the H1, let's just say, welcome. And the second heading, let's talk a bit about it. Websites I visit. Now, this web page is, you could do whatever you want to this. You can put games on it. You can put all sorts of websites on it. This can be like your, like, it can be easier than Google. It can kind of be like a Google, but like places you visit often. It's not exactly a search engine. It's yours. You can do whatever you want. So, here are the links. This is one link. And this, so to make a link, you do href equals. So that, and then right here, what's inside the link, it's got to be in quotation marks. And this is the exact URL of the place you want to visit. And then whatever you want to say, this can just say simply Google, and it doesn't even need the tags, or you can do an image. And the image is image, this means source equals the exact URL where you get the image. What do you mean by URL, you say? Well, let's look. Google. And so as you can see, you need the exact URL. So let's just find a random Google image. Now if your layout looks like this, you go to the original image, and this is what you need right here. That's the exact image for where you can find it. And so that's that. So I will not be writing all this out. So you can just pause the video and copy the code. So that's that. Remember to close it with that A tag right there. And let's do the Happy Wheels. This is a link to Happy Wheels. And remember, if you have any questions, just ask me. But this is all I'm gonna do for right now. And I will teach you how to save this. To save it. Since I already saved it, I'll just tell you how to do it. I'm saving it to my desktop. I'm calling it the my world, since it's my world, and then code, since it's the code and not the product that I show you. It's just my personal preference. Then you gotta remember to do .html right here. So it won't be just some random Word document. It won't be all this random text. Then you save it. You already saved it as that, so. Then here's what we just made. And the CSS will fix our little size problem. And so you gotta watch the next video if you want to fix that. But with CSS, we can reduce it down to here, get a nice color, font color, make a layout really nice. CSS can fix a lot of your little visual problems. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any project ideas for me to do, I can't promise you I'll do them, but I will definitely give it a shot. And just remember, I cannot do animations or graphics, just text-based stuff for now. Still working on that. And if you have any problems with your code, please comment it, and I will be fixing the little visual errors in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. You're the best.